Choosing the wrong WordPress theme can literally kill your online store like this. Slow loading, bad mobile experience like this. See, that's messy, right? And there will be visitors maybe come, but no one will buy. And let's be honest, a beautiful website alone does not make profit. Online store owners have one main goal: sell more products to customers. That's exactly why today I am reviewing Elessi WooCommerce WordPress theme. A theme that is not just designed to look good, but designed to sell. Let's see if Elessi is actually worth your money or not. Now, what is Elessi? Elessi is a premium WooCommerce focused WordPress theme built specially for online stores. You can use it for fashion, clothing stores, grocery and supermarket websites, accessories and lifestyle, electronics and gadgets, and even large-scale marketplace. So it's basically one theme with multiple business models, and the main focus: speed, UX design, and conversions. Now another thing, Elessi supports both major page builder Elementor and WPBakery. So you are covered. Everything is drag and drop. No coding, no developer dependency. Now, why Elessi is different? Most themes says our themes looks beautiful, but real store owners ask, how do I increase order value? Elessi is built with conversion psychology in mind. Its features helps you sell more per order, create urgency, push cross sales naturally. Now let me show you how. Here you can see the bought together feature. This is one of the most powerful features. When a customer views a product, they see customers also bought this together. This increased impulse buying. Customers add more items without even thinking. Now another feature is buy more, save more. Here you can see if you buy one product, you have to buy this with the regular price. And if you buy 2 items, you will get 4% discount. And if you buy 3 items, then you will get 7% discount. This feature is gold, especially for grocery stores, fashion stores, wholesale style shops, and customer increase quantity and you increase profit. Now another feature is fancy deals and countdown. You can see the countdown timer here and also the items available in your stock. This creates FOMO. You know what FOMO means? Fear of missing out. Customers buy now, not later. Big brands use this strategy for a reason. Last but not the least, here you can find the pre-order system. You have the products that are not in your stock yet. With Elessi, you can take pre-orders, secure sales in advance, test product in demand. A big brand strategy built directly into the theme, the bundle pack. In Elessi theme, you can buy multiple products at a time. This will save your customer time and they buy more products. You can see the multiple items here. Let me show you the mobile view. If you go to the mobile view, this part is very important because most e-commerce sales today come from mobile users. Elessi is mobile optimized by default with mobile bottom navigation. You can see the navigation bar here, touch friendly sliders and clean products layouts. And the result, higher mobile conversions. Now, want to build a website like Daraz or Amazon Dokan, which is a popular multi-vendor plugin. And also you will find the WC vendors and lastly WC FM. That means you will get multiple sellers, one platform and one powerful marketplace. Elessi comes with ready-made demos, product layouts, shop and deal section, strong theme options panel. You don't need to start from zero. Just replace content. The structure is already optimized. Now talk about the speed and performance. Speed equals to money in e-commerce. Elessi is lightweight, AJAX based, smooth UX design, and with a good hosting, you can achieve excellent performance. Now, who should use Elessi? Elessi is perfect if you run a WooCommerce store, want Amazon style features, care about mobile and conversions, want to sell more, not just design. So is Elessi worth it? Yes, if you are serious about e-commerce, it's not just a theme. It's a self-focused WooCommerce machine. If you want a higher conversions, better order value, and professional store features, Elessi is definitely worth considering. You will find the theme link in my description. And like the video if this helped. Subscribe our WPBravo channel for more WordPress and theme content. See you in the next one.